Hi, my name's Keith Cooper, Northlight Images. This is just a quick preview, quick unboxing as it were. Lighting, flash, things like that. I'm a commercial photographer, architectural photographer, so the kind of lighting I tend to use is either specialised macro lighting, LED panels, light like this, an LED light. In fact, the one that I'm using for lighting most of the room here is one of those. But I don't use on-camera flash very often. In fact, the on-camera flash that I use if I need one, because I'm not a wedding photographer, I don't do events very often these days, I've got a good old Canon 550EX that I bought years ago. It has worked exceedingly well. Obviously works fine on my 5DS and my older Canon cameras, but I've got a Fuji GFX100S that I use for quite a bit of stuff nowadays, particularly my architectural work, and I was thinking of flash. Anyway, fortuitously, I've been asked if I would have a look at this, the new Godox V1 Pro. I've got this in the Fuji mount that works with Fuji cameras. So what do you get with it? Well, a set of coloured filters, some distractions, the flash itself, interesting design with a round head on it, tiltable head obviously, a big hole that goes right through it, because this one, unlike my old flash here, and also the specialist macro flashes, I've got several of those as well that I use for stuff, ones on stalks and things like that. This one has a nickel cadmium, doesn't have nickel cadmium battery, it has a lithium ion battery in it. So I'm not using my stock of AA rechargeables as I have for this one. I have a lithium battery that fits inside the case here, just slots into the inside of the flash. That's it. There's a small charger as well. So I've got in here all various attachments. Obviously the battery itself, USB socket. The battery fits into a hole that runs through the flash. Flash can be adjusted for distance settings, all things like that. A stand for the flash, power supply, USB-A, USB-A to C adapter to plug directly into the battery to recharge it. And one other interesting little bit, a secondary flash. Now this is a very small flash unit that fits on the front here to use as an secondary flash, or could be positioned off axis. I'm not sure what I'll do with this. It's interesting. Anyway, what I'm really saying is that I've not used on-camera flash on the GFX100S. So if anyone's got any questions, any suggestions regarding flash, please do let me know, since I'd like to give this a fairly thorough review. Yes, it's very nice. I've got a set of instructions here, which I will read. I'll go back to my Fuji manual, have a read of that. But I'm particularly curious about, this little auxiliary flash and how well it works on it. I really do not know on the GFX100S. I've just not used it with flash. Now, I have used it for macro close-up studio work with other lighting, but not with an on-camera flash. So there you have it. Finally, and it is 20 years I've had this one, it looks like I have a new flash to investigate. So, suggestions, questions, anything you like. I'll do some written notes on this, and I'll have a video in due course, and hopefully a few half-decent photos to suggest that I haven't completely forgotten how to use a flash, camera-mounted flash. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Bye.